How to create Threads account. Hi everyone, this is Kit and welcome back to Login Helps, and on today's tutorial we will see how we can create Threads account. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First off, you have to download the application. You can install the Thread application from the Google Play Store in Android or App Store in your iOS device. Once you have installed the application, open up the Thread application in your mobile device. Now once you have opened up the application, you can tap the option to log in using your Instagram account. So if that's your account that you want to continue on Threads, tap on your Instagram account, or if you want to use a different account, tap on use different account. After that, it will ask you to enter your login credential. But if that's your account, simply select your Instagram account. Now you have to set up your profile. Decide whether your Threads profile will be public or private. So according to your preferences, you have to choose from public and private. Here I will go with private profile and then tap on continue. Here read this information and then tap on join Threads. And with that, you have complete the setup, and now you have a Thread account and you can start using the Thread application. And that's how you can create a Thread account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.